body work, body move, and your body don't stop. Body work, body move, and your body don't stop. Body work, body move, and your body don't stop. Body work, body move, and your body don't stop. Body work, body move.
Okay. So, state machines. Let's see if we can see. We need to see state object, the value, context, meta. This is loud, eh? Okay, we'll go there. Okay, so there's context. This is all good. Value, context, children. Invoked actors. All right. Context, stored data. Yes, that makes sense. Input and output. Okay, a transition is a change from one finite state to another triggered by an event. Excuse me. This always points to the same next state. Event objects, selecting transitions. Okay, self transitions. So on each event, so you get a multiple ons, but each key is going to change. Dark. Mode toggle, mode reset, re-entering. Transition re-enter property. Okay, this is all interesting, but not what I need yet. Is the studio? Yeah. Okay, maybe this is what I need for what I'm doing. Let's say it isn't. State machines. When the transition is enabled. Okay, so when it goes to valid. I see. Delayed after transitions. Okay. Actions. It may execute. Actions occur in response to events and are typically defined on transitions in the actions. Okay. So track implies that I guess track implies that they're, yeah, and show confetti that they're just side effects. Yeah, because you have to have an event. Yeah, the side effect, side effect, side effect. Or that's not a side effect. But I guess context is mutable. Action objects. Excuse me. Action parameters. Yeah. You can pull from context. Okay. So context is just this bag that you always have access to, which is nice. Inline actions implementing. Okay, fine. Guards kind of get initial states. Initials prompt. Okay, so that's the thing that points to it. Finite states. As opposed to infinite states. So is a finite state just one that isn't a final or initial? The state machine is always in a finite state. Tags. Okay, so there's a bunch of nuance here, which I will read. But okay, so parents I need to know about. And I actually don't know how to model what I'm trying to model. And that's why I got the this guy. So let's start this guy off. So there's like account created. And then what am I going to use for? I guess I can use, what does this use? Yeah, okay, so this uses like rounded corners, so I can use dotted. So what's the first thing that happens? So you go to a dashboard, but that's not actually an event. You do one of the options. So there's a parallel. So how do you create a parallel state? I guess I can click it and then details and then parallel. Okay, cool. And this is onboarding in progress or onboarding started. And this can be account created. Where does it tell me the issue? Oh, unreachable states. Wait, why is that an unreachable state? Why are all of these an unreachable state? Oh, because this is the initial. Oh, this needs to hook into account created. Okay. If this is the initial state, how do I do this? Okay, that's how you can line them up. Oh wait, that's not what I wanted to do. Okay, so I think this needs to be account created, and then this is What would this be called? Signed in. Signed up. Okay, let's do it that way. So signed up, account created, onboarding started. I guess I just need to like move all this. And then the onboarding started is going to have This is weird. I don't know if I model this with, let's look at what parallel events are. Grind beans, boil water, preparing. Okay, so what are the events? Beans ground. Okay, so what is that? Verb noun. Create account. Account created. Then onboard. And then this is at business. Oh, business needs to be first. And then this guy has add business. Not that way. How did I do this? Oh. Oh, here we go. Source. Okay, cool. And then this is onboard. Cool. And business added. Okay. Add business. Add service. And that might be like a loop. Oh, this is add service. Add employee. Add client. Okay. And then how does the parallel work? So those have final states. Beans ground, and this final state is the name of what happened. Okay, so don't want to do that. I want to make this bigger. How do I make this bigger? I guess I just add new states. Yeah, okay, and I can drag the states around. Cool. So what? Actually, don't want to do that. I want to do. Okay, so service added. Employee added. Clients added. Okay. Okay. What else? So then every time that's done, I need to complete onboarding if all three of those have been done. So I need a guard. Or is it do these go away? Or how do the parallel undone? Okay, so this just needs to be that all of them are done. Okay, and I guess that actually makes sense in this case, because if at least one of each of these is added, then we've onboarded. The weird thing is if I need like more than one. Okay. Okay. So what do I need to add to this? This is a final? Okay. Okay, so let's read about parallel. In state charts, a parallel state is a state that has multiple child states, also known as regions, that are all active at the same time. This is different from a parent state where only one child is active at a time. Parallel states have the following characteristics. Entering a parallel state will also simultaneously enter all of its regions. Exiting a parallel state will also simultaneously exit, all of its regions. That's not what I want. An event received in a parallel state is simultaneously received. Okay, so then this is not, there needs to be guards for each of these. Is or are required entities. Or what is this? Is onboarding complete? Okay. If is onboarding complete, service added, else okay, so that's probably generally the pattern I want. So there's an event, service added, if is onboarding complete. So where in this am I specifying this relationship? Source. Okay, I need to read about guards. Okay. So if is valid. But where do I specify this else? Oh, what happened there? I love that this is AI. There's like, you don't need to have AI to make this good. A guard is a condition function that the machine checks when it goes through an event. If the condition is true, the machine follows the transition to the next state. If the condition is false, the machine follows the rest of the conditions to the next state. A guarded transition is a transition that is enabled only if it's guard. Okay, hold on. I need to check something. Okay. Okay. Hmm. Okay. Okay. Something I would like to know. I feel like I should have said the best. Okay, so I don't really need this. Hmm. Okay. So if I can get okay. Why would you want to do your own OAuth or your own authentication? Ooh, I need to. What is up with this? Okay. Okay. Okay, interesting. All right, so back to what I was doing. I need to read about guards because I don't actually know how. The order they are checked. Oh, okay. So this is the second one being checked. But where does it... indicate that? Oh, cool. Okay. So I have this guard. So its target is this. But then there's another transition, and I don't know where you specify that when this is false, source. Oh, is this a what? Oh no, guard, add guard. No, okay. If I go to the code, maybe that'll help me. Onboard business, add service, on service added, target guard. But where's this? That's so weird. I don't actually see. Is there a separate spot for guards? No. Oh. Interesting. So there's actually two. So service added, so add service, on service added, then there's a list of things. Okay. And then this is two targets. And that's service added or add service. And the guard is this, and it goes to that if it's true, otherwise it falls through. Okay, that makes sense. And that's what I want. So then that works. And then I need to do the same thing for all the other ones. And I guess this could be called... And can I have it so that this goes... Like, can I do this? I can. Okay, that's actually what I want. And then I can add a guard. And did that add two guards? No. Let's see. Okay, so I have 2 guards. Guard as a condition. Okay. Right, okay, so the key defines it, so that's good. So this is all good. So then, that is kind of what I want. And then we're gonna do the same thing for this guy. And I need to do an else here. Okay. Why? Okay. There. There. Oh, why is this? Oh, I guess that's in the right spot. And then same deal over here. Okay, and we can like move all this way over here for now. Okay, so add client and then the guard. Can I write it like this? Oh, I can. Did my music stop? Okay. Okay. Get rid of that guy. There we go. So that is pretty good. Why is this not? Yeah, that needs to be lined up with that. Oh, I guess that just says. Okay. Okay. So that's all good. So I can like remove that guy. Those, oh. Yeah, those guys. Oh no, I can't remove those guys. I can remove these guys. So that's like onboarding. So what else do I need to add? Let's go into the Notion. Or no, Excalibur. So just write some text here. So after I have business, I have following entities created. Business, associated services, clients, these, need to create what, employee availability T jobs. Okay, and then for employee days off. For jobs. Indicate service. Indicate clients. Indicate preferred. Let's not do preferred time yet. So I've got the service, I've got the client. Match employee based on employee, I guess employee availability first. Proximity to either employee address or previous job address. Okay. You get one service, one employee, and one client. And as soon as you have that, you can create a job. Okay. And then, all right, now let's add, just for the fun of it. Oh, this isn't running. Right. Let's see, what do I have here? Okay. And then let's do the oh, weird. It started the okay. And then let's add the big calendar. Okay. Right, so let's import. No. Okay, so this is calendar, date range, those are all interfaces. Okay. Calendar. Okay, and then I need oh. Okay. What is Size. Oh, I need H screen. Okay, cool. And these don't do anything because they don't have anything wired up to them. Okay. Or is there another problem? My event list. What? Is none of that wired up? Resources, background events. Oh, okay. That's not bad. Default layout algorithm, default date, default view, events, localizer, max, show multi-day times, step, views, all views. That's what I need. And where does that come from? Let all views equal. Okay, so let's do that. Views, and then what is this doing? Keys, gets each key, and it maps the keys. Oh, this is probably before values. What is this? Let's look this up. Oh, is this rendering twice? So I think I just need to do that, no? Yeah. Okay, I gotta go. Anyways, thanks. Talk to you later.